This is our 30th lecture. Today we will discuss about investment decision of rental firms and gross investment and net investment. Here. In the last class, we have discussed nominal cost of capital. This is the nominal cost of capital we have done already. This is the nominal cost of capital. I did discuss in the last class in detail. I think no need to work more. So in this example, we calculated rental, the cost of capital, that is the nominal cost of capital with an example that is $2,400. That is the nominal cost of capital. Now, in the previous equation, you know, one part of the equation was change in PK over PK. That is the growth of price of capital. Growth of price of capital is equal to inflation. Because inflation means the growth rate of general price level is called inflation. Here we assume that the growth rate of price of capital is also equal to inflation. So that is the sign of inflation. So the growth rate, again आपको बता रहा हूँ बेटा, growth rate of general price level is called inflation. The growth rate of general price level is called inflation. So in this example, we also assume that the growth rate of price of capital is also equal to inflation. We assume, just we assume it's the inflation. Because here we are taking inflation. That is the growth rate of price of capital. Now, replace change in PK over PK with inflation. हमने previous equation में जो nominal cost थी, वहां पे change in PK over PK को हमने replace कर दिया inflation के साथ. Then the nominal cost of capital equals to this. Equal nominal cost of capital equal to PK into I plus depreciation rate minus inflation rate. Three part of the equation are in the form of rate. This is the interest rate, this is the depreciation rate, this is the inflation rate. Okay. Now, see, this is the nominal interest rate. अगर हम nominal interest rate से inflation को subtract कर दें, क्या कर दें? Subtract कर दें, that is equal to real interest rate. That is equal to real interest rate. Nominal interest rate minus inflation equal to real interest rate. You replace I minus inflation equal to R, real interest rate. Again, nominal cost of capital equal to PK into real interest rate plus depreciation rate. Nominal cost of capital equal to nominal cost of capital equal to real interest price of capital into real interest rate plus depreciation rate. Now we can do change this nominal cost of capital with real cost of capital. कैसे करेंगे हम इसको real cost में replace? By dividing nominal cost of capital by price, dividing by general price level. Then this is the real cost of capital, PK over P. जब हम nominal cost को price से divide करेंगे तो ये कौन सी हमारी cost होगी? Real cost of capital. That is the real cost of. So real cost of capital depends upon the relative price. ये बेटा relative price होती है, यानी the comparison between capital price and general price level. That is the relative price. Okay. So real cost of capital depends upon relative price of capital. Second, real cost of capital depends upon real interest rate. Then real cost of capital depends upon depreciation rate. Okay. अगर बेटा relative price of capital increase होगी, अगर capital की price as compared to other prices increase कर जाए, अगर capital की price as compared to general price level increase कर जाए, then real cost of capital क्या हो जाएगी? बढ़ जाएगी. क्या हो जाएगी? बढ़ जाएगी, क्योंकि cost depend किस पे करती है? relative price of capital. इसी तरह अगर real interest rate बढ़ जाए, then real cost of capital भी बढ़ जाएगी. इसी तरह depreciation rate बढ़ जाए तो real cost of capital भी बढ़ जाएगी. ये बात ध्यान में रखना. Three factors increase or decrease the real cost of capital. In case of higher relative price, in case of higher real interest rate, in case of higher depreciation rate, the real cost of a capital will go up. Real cost of capital will go up. You will understand? Real cost of capital will go up. कब up होगी? जब relative price of capital बढ़ जाएगी, real interest rate बढ़ जाए, ये तीनों में से कोई भी factor increase कर जाए तो real cost of capital आपकी increase कर जाएगी. That is the point. So this is the explanation of real cost of capital. Real cost of capital we have done. Now, you remember we have done already in the last lecture the real rent. That is the real rents we have done. That is the real costs. Real profits, real benefits, that is the real costs. Real rent is the real benefits of rental firms. Real benefits of the rental firms, that is the real cost of the rental firms. So now, net investment means new investment. अगर for example, मुकीत के पास हौजरी में 3 सॉक्स मशीन थी, अब मुकीत क्या करते हैं कि एक और मशीन ऐड करते हैं, 1 मशीन मोर ऐड करते हैं रील के साथ. दिस इज द 4th मशीन. 4th मशीन पर जो उनको रियल रेंट पे करना पड़ेगा, 4th मशीन पर मुकीत को जो रियल रेंट पे करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुकीत इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट में एक मशीन वो हायर करते हैं, ठीक है, रेंट पे लेते हैं. जो मशीन वो रेंट पे लेते हैं, ठीक है, इस केस में अगर मुकीत एक रेंटल फर्म है, देन मुकीद क्या करते हैं, एक कैपिटल बाय करते हैं, एक और मशीन पोजली में एक और मशीन बाय करते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल। जब एक मशीन और वो सॉफ्ट बनाने वाली मशीन बाय करेंगे, उस मशीन पे जो रेंट अर्न करेंगे वो क्या होगा, दैट रियल रेंट उनको मिलेगा, वो दैट इज द बेनिफिट्स, रियल बेनिफिट्स ऑफ मशीन ऑफ न्यू फॉर्म मशीन। न्यू फॉर्म एक मशीन को सॉफ्ट मशीन बाय करते हैं, न्यू सॉफ्ट मशीन पे जो मुकीद को बेनिफिट मिलेगा रियल रेंट की फॉर्म पे। रेंट पे किसको देंगे, ये प्रोडक्शन फॉर्म्स को मशीन रेंट पे देंगे, दैट इज द रियल रेंट, दैट इज द रियल बेनिफिट्स ऑफ मुकीद। और जो उस पे कास्ट पे करना पड़ेगी मुकीद को, दैट इज द रियल कास्ट ऑफ मुकीद। रियल rent equal to MPK. We have done already. At equilibrium, real rent equal to MPK. So we replace this one. So here, a firm's net investment, a firm net investment, it means a firm's new investment depends upon profit rate. Profit rate equal to real rents of rental firm minus real cost of rental firm. Real rents, real benefit of rental firm equal to MPK of production firm. We replace at equilibrium condition. So that is the real benefits of production firm and rental firm, because it is equal to real rents minus real cost of rental firm. अगर real rents, real benefits of rental firm greater than real cost of capital, then profit rate is positive. Profit rate is positive. If profit rate is positive, if profit rate is positive, अगर मुकीद को प्रॉफिट होगा, then increasing capital is profitable. Then increasing capital is profitable. अगर फर्म को प्रॉफिट हो रहा होगा, मुकीद को प्रॉफिट हो रहा होगा फर्म मशीन बाय करने का, देन मुकीद क्या करेंगे, और मशीन बाय कर लेंगे, और मशीन न्यू इन्वेस्टमेंट और मशीन बाय करेंगे, एक और मशीन ऐड करेंगे। अगर प्रॉफिट रेट नेगेटिव है, लेस देन जीरो मीन नेगेटिव, प्रॉफिट रेट नेगेटिव कब होगा, व्हेन रियल कॉस्ट इज ग्रेटर देन रियल बेनिफिट्स। जब नेगेटिव पोर्शन पॉजिटिव पोर्शन से ज्यादा हो जाए, इन अदर वर्ड्स कास्ट रियल बेनिफिट से बढ़ जाए, देन प्रॉफिट क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव। देन फर्म कैसे प्रॉफिट अर्न करेगी, then firm can increase profit by reducing capital. Then firm can get benefits, can get profit by reducing capital stock. ऊपर क्या था, प्रॉफिट रेट पॉजिटिव था, then increasing profit was profitable. Here profit rate negative, then reducing capital stock is profitable. Reducing capital stock is, जब कैपिटल स्टॉक कम होगा उसका बेनिफिट क्या होगा, कैपिटल स्टॉक के कम होने का एमपीके बढ़ना शुरू हो जाएगा। एमपीके बढ़ते बढ़ते रियल बेनिफिट्स will be greater than the real cost, that is the profitable condition. Okay, so this is a simple explanation. Again I am going to explain. Profit rate equal to real benefits of rental firms minus real cost of rental firm. Real benefits equal to margin of production of capital of producing firm, both are equal. So therefore हमने इसको इसके साथ रिप्लेस कर दिया। If real benefits of rental firm greater than the real cost of rental firm, then profit rate is positive. If profit rate is positive, then increasing capital is profitable. If profit rate is negative, then decreasing capital is profitable. That is a simple explanation of this equation. That is little bit we have done already. Now I did explain in detail. Now just only 1 minute more. Okay. Now the next one is the difference between net investment and gross investment. So here net investment, that is we have done already. Already we have done net investment, that is equal to net investment equal to change in K, that is a net investment. जो मुकीत ने नई मशीनरी ऐड की थी, that was the net investment. Adding new machine, adding new capital is equal to the net investment. Change in K is the net investment, equal to IN mean net investment. Net investment is a function of MPK minus real cost of capital. In other words, net investment is a function of the difference of net investment is a function of the difference of real benefits of rental firm and real cost of rental firms. If real benefits are greater than real cost, in other words, if profit rate is positive, then net investment will increase. If profit rate is negative, then net investment will decrease. So that is a net investment. Net investment equal to change in K. Okay. So this change in K is a function of the difference of real benefits minus real cost of rental firms. We have done already. We will discuss a little bit more in the next lecture. Now I'm going to close our lecture. So see you tomorrow. So if you have any question, you can ask within few minutes. Just I have to take attendance. Okay, now I'm closing our lecture. If you have any question, you can ask. I am here for you.